delivering superior quality products with a commitment to total customer satisfaction. This family-owned, New Hampshire-based company is a global leader in the manufacture and distribution of innovative, high-quality, American-made commercial kitchen equipment, supplying restaurants, hotels, pizzerias, and food service operators worldwide for over 75 years. Join us and meet Univex Corporation.
Univex Corporation is a manufacturing company. At our heart, at our roots, we manufacture. We bend metal, we weld metal, we fold metal. We make industrial and commercial kitchen equipment.
The core values that we really cherish are just supporting the employees and also staying true to being local. What that means for me and how it's supported the company is primarily we've always owned everything. We've always grown out of this location, particularly into what we are today, not just local, but globally sold and recognized across the world.
We have a whole team that we try to have dedicated to researching, are there new motors on the market that can last longer, any parts inside of these machines. And we all work as a collaborative at Univex. So service will come in and we will take as much information as we can from the service team to make sure that in the field, these machines are as easy to work on as possible. With the collaborative that we have, it allows us to put as much effort as we can into saving the end user money by saving ourselves money and doing the same.
Here at Univex, we're all about getting the customer back up and running right away if they have any type of issues with their machine. We have a network of service agents throughout the US that you have a problem with your machine, you can call into us, you'll get a live person right away. We can take all the information. If we can troubleshoot it over the phone, we'll do that. And if we can't, we'll get somebody set up to get out there right away, get them back up and running.
One of the things that makes us unique in the market is that we are still a family-owned company, and what that means to us is that we're lucky enough to have employees that have been here for 5, 10, 15 years through sometimes their whole career, and that experience that we get with those kind of employees really is invaluable. The biggest advantage that we have that is out in the market when people deal with us versus some of the larger companies that exist is you're really talking to a person. When you call, you immediately are answered by the receptionist. You're transferred to a department with a real person. I think it's just that human connection is what makes it more real. You can call us, talk to us, and know that you're going to get the right answer.
Since we started working with Univex, it's just been a great addition to our restaurant. They've almost become more of a family than someone to reach out to. You can reach out to them at any time, and they get back to you with accurate answers and new ideas.
Since partnering with Univex, it's been a blessing as far as our production kitchen is concerned. We can mass produce a lot more all at once, and it just makes our job a lot easier.
So what makes Univex the world's greatest is we are a true US-based manufacturer, and we bend, fold, and weld metal right here in our factory in Salem, New Hampshire, and that is truly what makes us the world's greatest.